Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is lockdown first day and this is me organizing my small workplace for my small business. If you guys don't know me, I'm Sagun Shrestha and I post about makeup, skincare, hauls, vlogs and many more, but this is me posting for the first time about my small business. If you guys want to stick around, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and join the family. So here I am arranging few things and wondering what suits wear. I decided to do this in this first day of lockdown because I wanted to do something productive and I thought I wouldn't be getting any more orders to make, so I thought I would just utilize this time. I'm really sorry for the lighting guys because it was hard for me to place my phone over there and get the good lighting as well. If you don't know about my small business, it's Pregun Era in TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. I make handmade jewelries. If you want to check it out, I will link that in the description box down below. I'd really appreciate you guys if you just checked my profile or leave me a comment about it. You don't have to buy. So this is how it turned out and I pretty much like it. If you guys have any suggestions or any comments about it, let me know in the comment section down below. I know I wasn't too active on YouTube, but I'll try to post as regular as I can and I'll see you guys in my next video.